Everyone, today we're going to work another question on Poisson distribution. So the question is as follows. The number of vehicles passing a bridge in 1 minute is 12. Assuming that the number of vehicles follow a Poisson distribution, find the probability that the number of vehicles passing the bridge over a period of 10 seconds is 1. The time interval for which the probability that no vehicle will pass the bridge is 0.2. Let's start the question by defining the random variable, by defining the distribution. First, let's define the distribution. So the number of vehicles passing a bridge in 1 minute is 12. So in 1 minute, there are 12 vehicles. But in the question, you were asked to find the probability that the number of vehicles passing a bridge over a period of 10 seconds is 1. So we have to be careful with the interval here. We are given the interval, we are given the parameter in 1 minute, but you're asked to find probability in a 10-second interval. So we do know that 1 minute represents what? 60 seconds. There are 12 vehicles. In 10 seconds, we're going to have 12 over 60 multiplied by 10. So we're going to have 2 vehicles. So the mean number of vehicles passing the bridge during 10 seconds is 2. So the distribution is going to be let x follows Poisson 2. And you're asked to find probability of x is 1 is equal to exponential negative 2 multiplied by 2 power 1 over 1 factorial is equal to, so 2 power 1, 2 over 1 factorial, which is 2. So 2 multiplied by the exponential of negative 2, which is 0.271. This one was the first part. Given the lambda, you find probabilities. But this time, you're asked to find the time interval for which the probability that no vehicle will pass the bridge is 0.2. So this time we have not been given the interval. We need to find the interval. So we are going to say, suppose we define the interval by t. So let t seconds be the interval. Now let's define a variable. So we're going to say let y be the random variable, which is the number of vehicles passing the bridge during t seconds. So we know that 60 seconds, in 60 seconds, there are 12 vehicles. But for t seconds, we're going to have 12 over 60 multiplied by t. So we're going to have t over 5 vehicles. Therefore, the distribution can be defined as y follows Poisson t over 5. Now we need to find the probability that no vehicle will pass the bridge is 0.2. That is the probability of y is equal to 0, which is no vehicle, is equal to 0.2. So you have already been given the probability. This will help you find the value of t. Now, when we have y is equal to 0, we simply take what? Exponential power negative t over 5 is equal to 0.2. Now, by putting ln on both sides, we can eliminate this e here. So ln e. So putting ln on both sides is equal to ln 0.2. Now, by the laws of ln, we can send this power in front of ln. So we are going to have negative t over 5 ln e is equal to ln 0.2. Now ln e, this one cancels out. So we are left with negative t over 5 is equal to ln 0.2. Now by cross multiplying, we're going to have negative t 5 multiplied by ln 0.2. Negative t is equal to 5 multiplied by ln 0.2. We have negative 0.047, so 5. Now minus minus, our interval should not be negative since the interval is in time cannot be negative. So removing negative on both sides, we have t is equal to 8.05 up to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this one was part 2 of the question. I hope you've understood the question. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.